All right, prime time. Here is the video for the Curry Jersey Mini number 1. We will check the time here. It is January 23rd at 11:19 p.m. We'll go over to the raffle or the mini and type live. And we've got January 23rd at 11:19 p.m. Here is our list of 40 entries. The top 3 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That'll work all 12 times. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last and final good luck. 12. Evan, and Aaron are your winners. So you guys get with Jay to collect or pick your main spots. There is our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, January 23rd at 11:20 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.